Prevent mistakes with knitting needle point protectors. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. Keep your stitches securely on your knitting needles with these little stoppers. It's taken me a little while to purchase my own. When I was knitting the recent Tumbling Blocks blanket pattern, I found myself really nervous to put down my work with all of those stitches on a long circular needle. So I finally purchased these little cone-shaped rubber stoppers. I got them on Amazon for under $10. Of course, please visit your local yarn shop and see if they have it first. But if you're not able to get there, then Amazon has you covered. My set comes in 2 different sizes, and even on circular needles it works. This is the large size right here for my size 15 needles, and the smaller point protectors work great on these size 6 needles while I'm knitting up the fancy diamond knit stitch pattern. There's different variations like these disc shaped stoppers, and Clover has a set specifically while knitting in the round. Each stopper has a space to insert each needle, which prevents the spreading of your work. So I just wanted to give you a little extra knitting inspiration, something to add to your collection, your little knitting toolbox. I have links down below, and I will see you here next time. Bye!